yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the gas. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the Voltarians. Are you getting? So they have legitimate concerns. I mean, these are real concerns that need.
All right, so we have from within the Nogogo artists. Hey, Ghanaians TV. Make sure say, subscribe to the channel on the far wide you our comment section. Like and share my make sure be brave. Abusia for problems be brain Ghana no. We have drink say Akwaaba. Any Oobake or say Oobake and no any ways and any problem Ghana for your fixes here. And this is the time we feel say we should bring this conversation on board at this time. Youth near Jumaye. Government now yet for the past 8 to 9 months. The promises of this government has not been fulfilled. Even quarter. Pinch ground to me, but this is the conversation here. And we have a minister of state. A minister of state, Honusu AKB. I'm afraid now history is going to be repeating itself. And no, Ghana for be Eka. King 1GH. Abusafo Mumayanko, Nenko Tsi, dear Minister of State Eka. This issue, Nayaba, Yabetras.
Tax to the mayor, and so far now from the mayor, he is handling those things. When I received, no, you said he didn't want to talk. No, he should be able to update you because that was about a week ago when we engaged. I tasked him to a specific they should agree on whatever name they want to use there, and so they've worked on it. So he should be able to update you the happenings there.
And you think it's a genuine concern?
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the gas. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the Voltarians. Are you getting? So they have legitimate concerns. I mean, these are real concerns that needs to be addressed. And so I'll support them. Why not? Yes.
And to Accra, the heartbeat of the nation, we say, Woke, Bo, Oobake. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Oobake. Can you say that? Oobake.
Minister of State, or see, Wezo is for the Evers, it's for the people of Angolong, it's for the people of the Volta region. And see, if they come to Accra, they have legitimate rights. They should change rights now. It will be true. Question is, if you go to another region, Ofi Accra, another region, Obi Ofi Bebi, another region, Ukokai be or Honum Kra. You'll be lost. It will be hard for you to get somebody to even speak to even understand you. Uka chia or honuma, you get somebody to speak to. When you go to the Volta region, the same thing. When you go to any part, even Côte d'Ivoire, Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, honuma, you can't tree or honuma. It is intimidating. What is bringing this argument? Mudi division, tribalic, near we ever. Upon all these problems, I war Accra people road, bad roads, Accra, street light, any Accra. Accra na mukanu, and that should be your thinking. That should be your that is what you people should be thinking about. But you people are thinking of say a bibi ayatregu. Bibisu Akwaaba any then into Oobake and no Nampe. We have towns in Accra who don't even have water. So what is all this for? I was for Ghana for a
similar situation they did some time ago when Abakwa Semwa at 2009. Yeah, they did something. They thought they were fighting the Asantes. I'm realizing here, no, not almost tradition good. I might go to a time, I see, I can't Ghana prominent traditional leaders, and I said traditional schools, prominent ones. Near one crime for Kunyedi, and crime for the feeling. at a certain point of life, to the extent that they felt, I'm telling you, they know this. What did they do? Have you ever asked yourself, as a guy, say at the end of the year, Mamo, I hear no take away yes, I got my children are reviving. Have you ever asked yourself, 2009, you attacked the system without you knowing that you were attacking the system? You attacked an ex-president. And I'm not sure Munya Chimota of Anko interchange. Asaman motorway flyover. Alajo flyover. Tetekwashi interchange. In fact, Kofo bus free ride. And Shasiempo ewo yakra. Dear Nam no so ma musaka all these beautiful experiences. Mo attack and say Oya Santini. In this wedi na komia wia. That is ex-president Kofo. Wedi na komia wia. Onko back to the crew. Monko Asante region. The constitution says it clearly. Say uwe president akunya no transfer 4 years and I say 8 years ni nyina e wo say wunya wo office e wotimi support aban awaba no e wo normal ba akumienu bi but then crime for timi ye demonstration e pamokofo so mu hia no e wo ngrasa so because o ya satini we dem aban ni hu say there be Accra the heartbeat of the country ye need to nipa there then there are some part of the body nine ehune ese ebi na ekọ we aduane ne ma de begu Ghana giam digestion bit me cause circulations of the blood bit me cause pumping in and out of the blood. Now ma komano abo eye adwuma. Accra is just the heartbeat of the country. There are some other parts of the body all year adwuma ni nyina na this is Accra. It is a multimission system who attack the system. The now no suma munya asa no ma we nyina. That means e bedroom maybe am ya hwe ya mo dia hini sembe ha ya adwen. I don't know mo say say a dear friend gratitude, respect. Somebody magan konya no mo dumu no. Edumye to the sense that Edrum maybe not president etimi sign and cry him for equal other rages. Still they make a child education tia. No akwakoye campaign and cry for the any will trim kekano be the car no so no mudi chia president abo maybe our bojaka krebi without even visiting and yet the paramount chief and maybe or what that bia no a jet campaign we are no co we ye normally been tia ma ban the do you know why? Because a man for brown more bread. The regions need your 9 more Jania. The other parts no one more bread, one more diamonds. Eastern region, other parts of the country, one more timbers, one more cocoa, a bit more gold, a bit more bauxite. And this is Accra. The properties on the land of Accra do not belong to the people of Accra. Otumfo said to the second. Okosi Jubilee ho here by international FA. What they Akwaaba boy anymore be entering Kwatangele because on what they see here. But it will be crazier and more stupid for the Asantes to fight over Baba Yara. Say Baba Yara dina that's no more pet. TNC Baba Yara dino because the Kumasi Sports Stadium, though it was built by the cocoa farmers of the Asante region, but it's being catered for by the government. Into your mining Nesika to a mine with your pay dear or pen or that so. Into a canyon with the answer. Uncle Baba Yara. Sad day in a district we need Dina Koto Baba Yara and climb 1 minute. You never tear me kind of cratchel. Government and offers. The Ghana traditional rulers, government and all kinds of offers. Etimi DM. And remember audios between some conversation I had with the government. The offers when they needed promotions and support. And the any part and I support to Mama Mahini and Asa revive. That thing no abani asa or general. Merely the source so tune for government to it. That is when abani who said young child. Because government could dim commodity with 2 4 year course 1 or 2 beer. Restrictions na the core gankunya. Ye free. Mupese sasase and say sase na say when nyam na gira when about say gafo no mu jimi no o kan kwase mo internet so they will realize say government we na etimi apia bitra the next government obeba no bana sakonya ni din abutu a obetimi akomanhia bi because dem ya na manfo hwe o edi Akwaaba nya asantefo kasa Akwaaba that terminology enya asantefo nkwa na ka eya kama ni nyina one more do a mobile site east ni adade east ye 2 diamonds na we east look at eastern region. Development there the Accra Eastern region for better both some woman 10%. No, next one diamonds no more sites in the idea and near the young cry. So they deserve to be credited. At least not just the accreditation sake cramponoa. Ye can kasa abandon yansemuno. About 20 to 25 million people in the Ghana. Into what Jimmy Crown, when you sent me in Canada, say, and Crankasa on the Tossum Yensa, Casa and the Parado on the Capan, and Crankasa on the Tossum Yensa. And when you found no more mine Japan, say Kotoka International Airport near and crime for government and didn't see here. Then they call back, you deserve to write it there. But I did idea, Sika, Jan would know what I would Jimmy no be to me kind of credit some with Jimmy, and a moment for whom size and we are movie. I didn't also Tata, Munyam who many pen who said we any part. in a logical sense, Kotoka International Airport, Ga Matse is here. And the international foreign fighting over a year, your friend is saying, the Baba Sports Stadium say you're 10 in that's all. Because almost Guinea say nipa, almost the Nyansa say there be ideas when you're mining in idea, so a DB that's we don't have to fight about it. Wait, 21st century tribalism and discrimination. The baby on my name, when Jimmy say tribalism na moyeno. Yes, you are mine. Kasa ni pado do kan we ni pado do ti ase no. Angelina Kojo, onu kro anya Ghana ni obebo onyum bi. O se Akwaaba. What is anyum reda? Eye dia o man na investor ton. Kasa ni pado do no aka. Kwesi broni kura mpo. Onye sia wo so ye Ghana ni odi kasa aye twi no ne busa nye nche se obusa so ya santini o. Eya kanfo kasa Ghana for do no aneka. The craziest thing of it all, I hear the stupidest. I ain't crying for no much church. I hear Oobake ni muno. Ubuzazo Oobake na asete sa Akwaaba the chi do na echi. You are fighting over property that belongs to the whole nation. Do you think the government is stupid? Wezo. I hear ebe kasa no. I hear the second kasa. Etosu mienu a second ni paka. Togo fo. Omo kan wona. Benin fo ebi kan wona. Cote d'Ivoire ebi kan. Sanso na okopie mu enso Nigeria bi kan wona. So wezo no penifo nyansem nye because say dwa mo do anworafo ne asantefo na momom hwe kasa ni padodo kana wo papa wo hwem ya yenkrani a wo chubuafo no uwura fia kasa be na no maka. You don't speak the God because of say humanity girl because ni padodo e wo fie ho wo yire nya ade no eno na omoti ase uwura fie ho na wo yire ntega na omatu entega na ba ko pe na tega nka be kanga. So in general sense, no basic human knowledge, we can do what's a better than a Nipa do kasa omo kan eno an ye introduction will be biamu be atiase. And you are fighting 21st century tribalism. You try to fix something that is not broken.
Akwaaba has already gained international recognition. So you cannot remove Akwaaba. That one I don't support it. Even Bill Clinton came to Ghana in 1998. I was in SS1 at Akrakadam. He said Akwaaba in his speech at the Independence Square. So Akwaaba is internationally recognized. It has to stay at the airport. You can add Oobake, but Akwaaba still stays. But when it comes to the tourist attraction sites, Akwaaba, go away, Oobake, in. Ghana Tourist Board, I believe the time has come for you guys to change the Akwaaba on all the signs at the tourist sites in the Greater Accra region. Simply because these tourist attraction sites, they are in the Greater Accra region, and the Ga word for welcome is Oobake, not Akwaaba. So I think that one would be a step in the right direction if Akwaaba is removed from all the tourist attraction sites in the Greater Accra region and replaced with Oobake.
Akwaaba, Nananum, and the people of Ghana. Me chiamo. America for chiamo. Now you have shown me what Akwaaba really means. Thank you so much.